If you want to access your files, photos, documents, and cloud storage in OneDrive, the first step is logging into your account. Whether you are using OneDrive for personal files, school projects, work documents, or backups, signing in is quick and simple. Once logged in, you can upload files, sync folders, share documents, and access your data from almost any device. The good news is that logging into a OneDrive account only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to log into a OneDrive account in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer, such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, go to the official OneDrive website. You will be taken to the OneDrive homepage where you can access Microsoft's cloud storage service. On the homepage, look for the Sign In button and click it. A Microsoft login page will appear asking for your email address, phone number, or Skype username associated with your Microsoft account. Type your Microsoft account email address carefully and click Next. Make sure there are no typing mistakes because even a small error can prevent you from signing in successfully. Next, Microsoft may ask for an additional security code. This code could be sent to your phone, email address, or authentication app depending on your security settings. Enter the verification code when prompted to complete the login process. After successful verification, OneDrive will open and display your files, folders, photos, and cloud storage information. You can now upload new files, download existing documents, organize folders, and manage your account. If you do not already have a Microsoft account, click the option to create a new account. Follow the registration steps, choose an email address and password, verify your identity, and then sign in to OneDrive using the newly created account. You should also keep your browser and OneDrive application updated to ensure the best performance, security, and compatibility when accessing your account. So that's the easiest way to log into a OneDrive account in 2026. The main steps are opening the OneDrive website or app, entering your Microsoft account email address, typing your password, completing any verification steps, and accessing your cloud storage. Most users can sign in successfully within just a few minutes using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more OneDrive tutorials, cloud storage tips, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.